firstly, about we know about what UK expansion worker is now. So, how different is the UK expansion worker visa from the old sole representative visa?
So, Ashni, as I said previously as well, that the core objective remains the same, which is where the parent company who intends to set up a subsidiary or branch can use this pathway, as was also for the sole representative visas. And I think this is a huge opportunity for especially the Indian companies, where your services and your manufacturing remains in India, and perhaps you could have your marketing department up over there, or a small presence which can help to build your clienteles in that geography. So this is an excellent opportunity to maximize your revenue and grow faster by making those decisions there. So the expansion worker visa will help you to do that by setting yourself up with a slight amendment in terms of how the processes work, but that's just technicality. So unlike in sole representative visas, where the businesses would first kind of apply, and subject to the grant of the visas, they were then permitted to incorporate companies. The expansion worker visa now requires you to first incorporate the company, apply for the sponsorship licenses, and then use that certificate of sponsorship license to allow your associates to travel, who will be heading the branch in the UK. So it's just a change in a process.
A minor change, like an amendment, if you say.
Correct.
A minor one.
Yeah.
So it's more or less similar to what the sole representative was. You will also send here an associate from your own firm who will be looking after the subsidiary firm in the UK.
That's right. And also the expansion worker visa has its advantage, unlike the sole representative visas, which were restricted to just nominate one person. Under expansion worker visas, there are a few criteria which have been set in that will now also allow you to take more than one person if you meet those criteria there. So you could look into having a team in place at the inception itself when you're setting yourself up. So it has its own advantage with these changes that has come about in the process. Yes.
Okay.